His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on the sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opened his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's joking how? Everybody joking now. The clock's run out. Time's up, over, blouse. Snap back to reality. Oh, the goes gravity. Oh, the goes gravity choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. That is he know. He won't have it. He knows. He shows back to this rope. It don't matter. He's dope. So sad, but he knows. But he back to reality. It's all right. So you better capture this moment and hope it don't. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you want it, you better never let it go. You only got one shot. Do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better no more game. I'ma change what you call rage till this motherfucking roof off like two-door cage. I was playing in the beginning. The mood all changed.